Hi, welcome to the Wellness Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy salmon salad. First of all, you're going to take your fresh salmon and damp off the excess moisture. Then season it with sea salt and black pepper. Take your hot skillet and spray on some avocado oil spray. While the salmon's cooking, make sure you wash and prep your greens. I decided to try something new by cooking sprouted green mung beans and forbidden black rice together in the rice cooker. And let me tell you, it turned out great. It's highly suggested. You can take any sort of beans or grains and toss it on top of your salad, like I did here. Add some good fats. A quick and easy one is avocado. Then place the hot, sizzling salmon right on top of your salad. I finished this off with mixed raw nuts, sprinkled fresh cilantro on top. If you don't like cilantro, you can go ahead and use fresh parsley or tarragon, any sort of herbs you like. Then you drizzle your favorite cold pressed olive oil and fresh squeezed lemon juice. Lime juice works too. Bon appetit!